Hi, everybody. I'm here today to show you about this website called vocabularyspellingcity.com. And I think this is a great website for any educator. It's a very user-friendly website where teachers can go and create lists, spelling lists, vocabulary lists, and then share those with parents to use at home to practice those lists. So to start with, all you do is go to spellingcity.com, and then this is the screen that you're met with. You go to log in, and then you can create a free account. There is a paid premium membership, but the basic is free. So as a teacher, I'm going to go to the educator admin. I'm going to put in my username and my password, and then I'm going to sign in. Then I will this is the page I'm met with, and then I'm just going to quickly and easily create a list. I'm going to name it list number 4. If you want to, you can go right here and enter a list, maybe a date for parents to easily see. Maybe this is week 2 list, and you can put the dates so that it's easier for parents to find. I'm not going to in this case, but then you can just go in here, type in your words. I'm just throwing some in really quickly, just for an example. I would use this in my classroom. My students get a physical word list every week. They get a new one every week with 5 to 6 words on it. And I would use those words here. I would have them use this site during stations so that way they could practice it. Super quick and easy. I can click on here to add one more space if I have 6 words, or I could even click up to 5 more so that I could have a list of 10 or 11, however many you want. And then I'm just going to go down here and click save. And then if I scroll down here, it gives me the definition of the word and then a sentence using that word. And once I show you the student portion of it, it shows you that it'll actually read that sentence to them. So I'm going to click on save. And then there's all my lists. I can go over here and edit it if I needed to, make it a different one, however I wanted to use it. So then as a student, I could send home a note to parents at the beginning of the year asking them to go to this site, and then they can easily go on. I'm going to go up here and log out. So then if I go back here, this is the screen I'm at. I'm going to go here as a student. If you scroll down, you only have to log in if you have a paid membership. So if you just scroll down, it says that you don't have to have a login if you're just the regular membership. So then I'm going to go here and I'm going to type in my name and click submit, and there it pops up. When you register as a teacher, you pick your school. And so I'm going to just click on it, and then I can click on any of the lists that I created. So my parents could easily get on here, and let's say I wanted them to do list 1 or that week. And there's a whole list of words that I could do. There is a list of games you can click on. If you do the spelling teach me, I have my list here, or you could go right here and click on other things that you could work on. That's just a generic global list, but I'm going to click on play. I'm going to say teach me, and then to use it, I just click on the word
U, Y, O, U, U. Let me know when you are ready to leave. U.
So it tells you how to spell it twice. It reads the word for them, and it shows them how to use it in a sentence, which I think is great. And there are several other games that they could play with it. There's spelling test, flashcards, play a game, vocab test. All those different things are free. So just really handy to have kids get on during stations. And then, like I said, the main point of this is that I'm going to send this home, let kids work on this at home. It's a great way to just collaborate with parents on the kids' learning. I feel like as a first grade teacher, this was probably my biggest struggle this year, was finding ways to incorporate those sight words. And so I just think this is a great way to do it, and they would love to be able to do this. As far as The standards I would be covering in this site, I would be using the Educator Standards 5C and 4D, interacting with parents as co-collaborators in student learning. I think this is a super easy way to get parents involved in their students' education. And then also just creating innovative digital learning environments that engage and support learning. I think my students and any grade level students would find this website entertaining and a fun way to practice their words. So thank you very much, and I hope that you all get a chance to try out this website. And it is also available as an app for Android and iPhone, so it's compatible with all sorts of media. Thank you.